Hi everyone, Anshul this side from Rcare Overseas Education, and today we are at University of Bremen with one of our students, Simran. So she got admission into University of Bremen and she is currently pursuing Masters in Industrial Mathematics and Data Analysis, and she got admission here in winter 22 intake. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the key points regarding her admission, what all documents were required, what is the university eligibility criteria, and the sort of study modules that she has in her master's course. So let's introduce Simran first. Hi Simran.
Hello sir.
Can you please give an introduction to the viewers?
So hi everyone, this is Simran Vadva. I am from Pune and I'm currently studying in University of Bremen of Bremen city, Germany, and I'm in my first semester and studying industrial mathematics and data analysis. So this course particularly has a lot of elective modules and compulsory subjects which you have to opt for. So the compulsory subjects which I have are partial derivatives and the data analysis, and the elective modules is the statistics. So Bremen University is very flexible with whatever elective modules it's your wish, whatever you want you can opt for them. And the other modules, like other options, are data analysis with statistics, and data analysis with medical statistics, like how it is applied in the medical field. Right. Since that industry is also booming, so I think a university has a top-notch options with the current scenario. Right. Yeah.
So now the field of data analysis, since because of the pandemic, let's say, a lot of investment by the government has been given in the in improving the quality of the medicine industry with the help of data analysis. So you have a lot of scope when you come to a big university such as University of Bremen. Plus, one more point I want to highlight, that unlike in most of the universities back in India, we have fixed number of study subjects that we have to cover in our master studies. However, in Germany, in most of the universities, you will find that you have a very minimum fixed subjects in each of the semesters. Also, you have elective subjects which you can opt as per your preferences. So that helps you to gather information about various fields of study related to whatever field or subject that you are studying currently here. Now, in this video, like as I mentioned earlier, we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria of the university, what all documents that we have required. So let's first start with the requirement of your bachelor's marks. How important is your bachelor's marks? So Simran, what was your bachelor's and what bachelor's have you done, and what was your bachelor's percentage back in India?
Okay, so I have done my bachelor's in mathematics and I scored around 86%, and it was a 3-year degree mathematics program. So a lot of people feel after doing a 4 years bachelor's degree, then only you get admitted into the German universities, but the same was not with me, since I had the same credit points which was required, and a little of credit points which you miss out can also be covered by opting for the other additional subjects.
Right. So this was her question as well. Like when she contacted us, she also had this doubt that if, like she mentioned that, sure, I have a 3-year bachelor degree in India, whether I'll be getting an admission in a public university or not. So now it's not about your 3-year bachelor's degree or your 4-year bachelor's degree. It's always about the credit points and the relevant sort of internship that you have done. In this particular course, since she had 86% in her bachelor's back in India, which is almost equivalent to 1.7 grade as per German grading system, that fulfills the requirement to apply to a lot of universities including Bremen. Generally, the universities here in Germany, they ask for a German grade of 2.5. She had a very good, let's say, marks, and this criteria was easily fulfilled. And
I'm so grateful to Rcare for bringing me to Bremen University and handling all my documentation. It was like on point. I didn't have to bother about where my procedure is going.
Right. Okay, so she's been very humble now. Fine.
Yeah.
If you have any question related to Germany, getting admission into a public universities, about your marks, whether you'll get admission here or not, you can simply contact us, call us, and we'll be happy to assist you. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you, Simran, very much for...